Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be taking a problem based on class. So let's go to the question. So the question is define a class item in C++ with the following description. So here's a question, you can see it on a screen. So the given data is private members, that is first code of type integer. So there's a code in the private, and there is a I name of the type chr string, that is array of I name uh, chr type, and there is a price of type float, that to hold the price of each item, and there is a quantity of type integer, that is to hold quantity in stock, and there is a offer, offer in the sense discount given to the items when you purchase. And here's a member function get offer. This is a member function in private, that is get offer of, to calculate offer percentage as per the following. So let's see the table. The table given to us is, if quantity less than or equal to 50, then there is no discount. So if a discount in the sense offer here, okay, and if the quantity is greater than 50 or less than between 50 to 100, then there should be discount of 5 rupees, sorry, 5%. And the next one is, if quantity is greater than 100, then the offer should be 10, so discount should be 10. So let's go. Offer in the sense only 5 rupees, not 10, so the offer should be 5. In the question there is no given like it is percentage, so it should be only 5, only 5, 5 rupees. It's not about rupees, it's quantity, it's 5 quantity. So the next thing here given is member, public members, that is a function get stock to allow user to enter values for code, the first one, then I name and the price and quantity, and then to call function, that is get offer. So we have to enter this 4, that is code, I name, price and quantity, and to call function get offer, that is same thing, discount, to give discount for the quantity according to the table given to us. So and the next thing is a function show item, to show the item, to allow user to view the content on the data members, of all data members. So let's go with the code first. So starting with the code, so for that we have to define a class, that is item. So class item, so in that there are 4 private members, and there's a member function, that was get offer. So let's begin with the first one, that was int code. This is the first thing, to hold the code, item code. And the second was chr I name, that was of string, character string, let's take it as 25. Okay, and there was a price, that was float price. And the third one, which was it was quantity of int, and there's a offer of float, offer. And there was a function, that was get float, sorry, get offer of type, we can use float here, float get offer, because you can use int also, there's no problem with that. So in the question it was given of float type, so we'll use float itself, float of float get offer. Here O should be capital because in the question also O was given capital. Get offer of. Okay. So here what is the offer? According to the table, that is if item is less than 50. So if quantity, sorry, not item, quantity is less than 50, what should happen? The offer should be 0. Yeah. Then else if quantity is greater than 100, what is the offer? Offer is equal to, I guess greater was 10. Yep, 10. So the next thing, if quantity is greater than or less than 100, so you can just write here else offer will be 5, because as here the quantity is less than 50 and the quantity is greater than 100. So after comparing with these two conditions, of course it will be greater than 50 or less than 100, then the offer will be 5. So the next thing is we have to call a function. I mean in the public, I mean we have to write now public members. So the public members are, so once close, we have to define here public member that was void get stock of, and there's one more, that is void show item. So let's go with public rows void get stock, get stock of, what should be the stock, that is the first thing you have to enter here is, because as given in the question, 1 second, a function get stock to allow user to enter values. So here we need to enter values of 4 and we have to call get offer function. So the item to be entered here is cout enter item code. The first thing we have to enter item code, that is code. Then we have to enter the name, enter item name. So that will be get, because it is of chr. You can use for loop and you can take each character, or you can directly take using gets, that is I name of. And the next thing it was like price, cout slash n enter price. So same price. The next thing was quantity, to enter the quantity, cout enter quantity, that is qty quantity, and we have to call the function, that is offer is equal to, because we have to get the value of offer, so we are using here initializing it, offer is equal get offer of. So here we are getting this offer will get the offer value, like if it is the quantity is greater than 50 and it is less than 100, less or equal to 100, then the offer will be having 5, and if the quantity is greater than 100, then the offer will have the value of 10. So there's one more public member, that was to show item. I mean show in the sense to print. There should be one more, that is void show show item of, that is to print all the values, item code, that is CODE. Oh, sorry, it was capital because our variable we made is CODE in capital. So NL to go to the next line, and again see out item name was I name, and see out slash n to go to the next line again, price, that was price, and the fourth one was quantity in stock, so that should be quantity, and the next thing was to print the discount price, I mean offer, that will use slash n so that it will be taken to the next line. So here you have to put offer. That's it, because here they are only asked to define class, not to do whole C++ program. So we have defined the class. You can just put up the main, and using one object of class you can make this code run. So thank you guys for watching this. So stay tuned for some more videos. Thank you.